Video, I'm going to show you how to set the format of your table created on the office.com website. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your Excel file. And then you should go to your home page by tapping on this home button on the left side. Then you should go to this right section, or this section on the right side, format as table. Tap on this button and you can find a bunch of format options, light, medium and dark themed ones. Tap on the relevant one, click on OK, and then select the columns and rows to which you would like to apply this format. And here you can see how it looks like. So this is column 1, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.